Hello everyone, my name is Douglas Welch, and today I'll be reporting on the Airport Station, which is part of the Moscow Greater Metro System. So overall, this is some background information. The station was initially founded and was opened on 11th September 1938. So this was initially part of Joseph Stalin's initial five-year plan, which was created back in the uh, 1920s and then subsequently carried on to the 30s. So this is really just an extension of the original plan, expanding the Moscow Metro station, getting industry up and running in the Moscow area. And it, of course, received its name from the nearby Moscow's first international airport, which is sadly no longer operational. Uh, the metro system in Moscow is the largest outside of Southeast Asia and Asia, and it's the sixth largest in the world. It's also located on the Zamorovskaya line, which the preceding station is Sokol, and the following is Dynamo. As you can see here, here are some of the other stations included as the ones I mentioned before, Sokol, Dynamo. It's located generally in this position, this area, so it's very close to the center city, which allows it to get a lot of Moscow's daily traffic from people coming in and out of the city for their work. So it's developed by architects Velinsky and Virchow, and what it was trying to achieve was a sleek design. It's very, as I'll show in the photos to come, it's very simple, but they're also going for elegance. So they use a lot of marble in their set out, trying to give it sort of a Roman feel while introducing like ideas of Barco, futurism, modernism, and a single vault design. As seen through here, so entry is single vault. It's really kind of point and shoot, honestly. Very simple, but also still a crowning achievement, which the Soviets would be very proud of. And then just some, quick references to our readings and the movie. In our movie, I Walk Around Moscow, it gives a quick shout out to the station by saying it's under construction for the foreseeable future. So they're giving the foreigner some instructions. And also, it says in the readings, it was a continued expansion of how the Soviets saw their war against nature, demonstrating the power of the worker. Here are some of my references, and thank you so much.